of Uzbekistan is in the red. Šaršenbekov gets going, the two-time world champion, the three-time Asian champion, Olympic bronze medalist from Paris as well, who is fresh to his comeback to the scene, having made that in Ulaanbaatar, but he is straight to work here and trapping the arm, getting the takedown of Ганиев. And maybe from parterre he's going to explode into the air. Ганиев seeking the sanctuary of the protection zone, but how much sanctuary will it give him? Was that legal? It has deemed to be. Did that very cleverly. Ганиев to not give away an extra penalty point for fleeing the mat. But certainly Šaršenbekov's intentions made clear. And it's explosive already. Ганиев throwing down Šaršenbekov. Lee, and this is why we're delighted to be seeing these gentlemen on our mat. They're straight to it.
What a great start of this match. High pace from the start, from the first seconds of the match. 2 points already scored. This is two of the best wrestlers in the world at this weight class. By far. This could be a world championship final.
Well, Ganiev's been to a world championship final on just one occasion before. Won a silver in 2025. He won the Asian title earlier this year when Šaršenbekov was absent, and he won it in Kyrgyzstan. Had Šaršenbekov been there and been fit, but he was making his way back from an injury. Had he been fit, well, that would have very possibly been a semi-final or final matchup. We get to see it instead in Budapest, and it is delivering so far. What can Šaršenbekov come up with from here?
Look at how he's blocking him with the head. Excellent defense by Ганиев here. He's moving the whole time. He's not letting Šaršenbekov place his head where he wants it for the lift. He's blocking his opponent's head with his own hand, so he cannot get his feet right and lift him from there. There's some excellent wrestling we're watching right now.
Such a good regional rivalry as well. Uzbekistan and Kyrgyzstan, they share a long, long border, just as Kyrgyzstan does with Kazakhstan.
Óriási dobás volt, 4 pontra, közbetszés szőnyegen. Elvileg a világranglistán hátrébb lévő Vidakmetov mutatta be a 4 pontos akciót, és 5-0-ra vezet már. Kamaliev 10. a világranglistán. Zagreb Openen volt érmes.
What are you seeing, Leon, that Ганиев is trying to do to Šaršenbekov?
It looks like he's trying to slow down Šaršenbekov right now. He wants that party opportunity in the second round to try to decide the match there. We saw at the Asian Championships how good Ганиев is in parterre. Whenever he's on top, he scores.
1 pontot kapott szőnyegen. Kamaliev.
There is a 2 kilo discrepancy though, so he may well just be over 60 or so at the moment. Wow. Ганиев under pressure here.
Nagy lendülettel kezd a kirgiz. A mészszőnyegen a második menetben is.
Šaršenbekov's really going for it. He's not waiting for anything. Oh, wow, what a hip throw. He caught him off balance for 4 points. He built it up with all that pressure. And the second Ганиев started pressuring back, he just threw him on the hip throw. Deep with the leg, deeper with that left leg. So his hips were closer to Ганиев. That would definitely be 4 points and no leg foul. But in this case, it looks like their knees touch each other during the hip throw, and that's the difference here. Well done by the blue corner, by the red corner.
They played it perfectly. Šaršenbekov wanting to punish Ганиев here for the insult of taking those points away from him. He's moving really fast and furiously at Ганиев, who's giving as good as he gets. This is the kind of last 20-second desperation you might see, but from 2.5 minutes out.
What are we looking at, Jack? This tempo in this match is insane. That takedown was purely out of fatigue. Šaršenbekov does not want anyone on top of him.
Winner goes through to tonight's gold medal match.
He's looking for that hip throw all the time. And that's how he builds up his pressure. Look how he's working on the same side the whole time with the same leg. And what's interesting is his left, he's leading with his left arm. Oh wow, what a dominant performance here. For this to count as a step out point, the whole foot has to be outside of the orange circle.
The leg is still not totally out, not entire foot is out, it's still inside, and no point to be awarded, and challenge is won.
Brilliant from Ганиев and his team. Another point saved. He's still in this. Minute 15 to go. Šaršenbekov is going to have to win this contest all over again, it seems. Oh, he's got hands on here, and the throw, and 2 points on the board. He may yet still end it early, Leon.
I'm telling you, he's out hunting. He's not backing down. He wants to win this match early. He doesn't want to wrestle 6 minutes with anyone. He wants to show that he's back with full effect.
Forceful again to try to get Ганиев down, and somehow he has come down on top. Even after Ganiev's attack, it's Šaršenbekov who gets a counter. Although, if the 2 points to Ганиев stay, the fight continues.
It was a pin.
The pin was given, okay. Šaršenbekov, a match he's had to win 4 times, but he's done it, eventually by fall.